Most of you have probably heard of this game, Supertux. This game here. Supertux, much like Super Mario, has got bosses, Ghostree and Mr. Ice Guy. I could barely beat Mr. Ice, and the Ghostree was just plain confusing when I started playing. If you're here, you also probably find it confusing. That's why I'm going to show you how to beat both of these bosses. This boss is actually pretty simple. All you have to do is jump on his head 5 times and you win. So you try it. And he runs over you. And then you get it right. Finally, you're happy. But suddenly, these icicles hit you. The trick is to stay where the icicles first fell, like after you hit him. So, it falls, and then you come here. And then you jump on his head. And then hop on him, and repeat. Now this stage is kinda tricky because more icicles are falling than once. But keep to the rule and stay where the icicles fell first. And this boss is pretty simple. You win. Now you move on. Now for Ghostree. As I said before, this Ghostree boss is pretty confusing for me when I first tried beating it. Like, what on earth are you supposed to do? There's lots of projectiles and you can't even do anything. You just die. Like, well, what your aim should be is to get a color into the beacon, the lamp, and then when you hear this noise, you should get ready to make the Ghostree swallow it. However, you have to throw the lamp when the other color, other than the one in the lamp, is being swallowed. Like that. I'll do it again just to make sure that you understand. So you go ahead and grab this lamp, jump up and grab the purple color. Purple is the fastest, and that's why I take it. You avoid those sword things. Then, when they're coming in, you throw it in and win. I hope you now know how to beat these bosses. So, cheers.